Hello there, this is Hydro. Today we're exploring the process of creating a municipal drain project. Our aim is to equip you with knowledge and understanding, putting you at ease as we journey through this process together. As we learned from our video on the Drainage Act, the Drainage Act provides a way forward if you're a property owner grappling with frequent flooding or drainage issues. Whether you need a new drain or improvements to an existing one, all it takes is a conversation with your local municipality to begin the process. If you're dealing with the creation of a new drain, it all starts with a petition, a formal request.
You can do this on your own or with other landowners in the watershed if your neighbors are also having drainage issues.
In either case, signatures are added to a petition for drainage works and sent to the municipality. If there is an existing drain that needs improvement, the process begins when you simply submit a formal request to the municipality outlining what you'd like to see improved.
The journey continues as the council passes a bylaw or resolution, appointing an engineer to investigate the request or petition and provide support to the municipality for Drainage Act procedure.
The engineer kicks things off with an on-site meeting with the landowners who might be affected by the project. This is an important visit that enables them to assess the situation firsthand and respond to questions. The engineer will also ask you questions to make sure they understand the landowner's drainage issues. Next, and the most time-consuming part of the project, the engineer designs the proposed solution, estimates costs, prepares detailed drawings, and figures out how the costs will be shared. The engineer presents their findings, the design, estimated costs, proposed cost sharing, and other information at public information meetings. Then they undertake the critical task of securing necessary approvals from environmental authorities and agencies. This is all about staying compliant and protecting our environment. Once the groundwork is completed, the engineer drafts a comprehensive report that includes their findings, recommendations, technical details, and proposed solutions. This report is then submitted to the municipality for final processing under the Drainage Act. But what happens if you don't agree with the proposed changes? Don't fret. The process is designed to be fair and open. When the council approves a provisional bylaw for the project, there is an established period set aside specifically for objections and appeals. This is your chance to voice your concerns formally and ensure they're acknowledged. When all appeals are settled, or the appeal period concludes, the council grants final approval to the bylaw. This paves the way for the construction phase, which is completed by a contractor that is chosen by a tendering process. Once construction is done, the municipality recovers the associated costs through a cost-sharing plan defined by the bylaw. And finally, the baton is handed over to the municipality. They become responsible for administering the maintenance, repair, and overall management of the drainage system. Remember, the process may seem long, but the Drainage Act and the municipal drain process are here to serve and support your drainage needs. Remember that everyone's ultimate goal is to find the best solution for the community's water management needs. Your input is not just welcomed, it's needed. Never hesitate to contact your local municipality with your questions. Be sure to check out our other videos in the series to learn more about the Drainage Act and your role in the process.